Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will study 12th standard subject bookkeeping and accountancy as per your new syllabus. Chapter number 1, Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Account. In partnership final account, we prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet with the help of trial balance and adjustment. In the case of preparation of final account, there is a trial balance and adjustment. But in trial balance, some adjustments are hidden or silent. In this lecture, we learn hidden adjustment of partnership final account as per your new syllabus. What is hidden adjustment? Hidden adjustment are those adjustment which are not clearly given in additional information. It should be find out inside the trial balance. It is called hidden adjustment. It cannot be seen at once. Hidden adjustment given in trial balance. There are 7 adjustment we are discussed today. First, rent paid into bracket for 10 months rupees 10,000 given in trial balance. First, we calculate outstanding rent is equal to 10,000 divided by 10 is equal to 1,000 per month. Hence, 1,000 into or multiply 2 is equal to 2,000 outstanding rent. First effect, add to rent in profit and loss account debit side. That is, here profit and loss account debit side, rent to rent is 10,000 plus outstanding rent 2,000, 12,000 in outer column of profit and loss account debit side. Second effect, show outstanding rent rupees 2,000 liability side of balance sheet. Next hidden adjustment is insurance premium paid for 1 year ending 30th June 2019. Accounting year ends 31st March 2019. In this example, insurance premium is paid up to 30 June 2019, but accounting year ends on 31st March 2019. Insurance premium of 3 months is prepaid, that is April, May and June. First, we calculate prepaid insurance premium, that is 12,000 divided by 12 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3,000. Here prepaid insurance is rupees 3,000. First effect, profit and loss account debit side less from insurance. Here profit and loss account debit side 2 insurance premium rupees 12,000 less prepaid insurance rupees 3,000 in outer column 9,000 profit and loss account debit side. Do you understand, student? So, second effect of this adjustment, show Asset side of balance sheet, prepaid insurance rupees 3000, outer column of the balance sheet. Next adjustment is advertisement expenses rupees 8000 for 4 year. First we calculate prepaid advertisement, that is 8000 divided by 4 year, that is rupees 2000 for current year. Remaining 6000 advertisement for next year, next 3 years. In this example, rupees 6000 advertisement is prepaid. First effect, profit and loss account debit side less from advertisement. In profit and loss account debit side, to advertisement rupees 8000 less prepaid advertisement 6000. In outer column 2000 of profit and loss account. Second effect, show prepaid advertisement rupees 6000 balance sheet asset side. Okay student, then next hidden adjustment number 4 is rent receivable into bracket for 11 month. In this example, only 11 month rent is received. In trial balance, only 11 month rent is given. We want to prepare final account for 12 months. So, outstanding rent is 1 month. First, we calculate outstanding rent, that is 11,000 divided by 11 months is equal to 1,000 per month. First effect, add to rent received in profit and loss account credit side, that is in profit and loss account credit side by rent received 11,000 add outstanding 1,000 is equal to 12,000. Show outer column of profit and loss account. Second effect of this adjustment, show asset side of balance sheet. Outstanding rent rupees 1,000 or rent receivable rupees 1,000. Okay students, then next hidden adjustment number 5. For example, 10% loan borrowed on 1st January 2019. Accounting year end 31st March 2019. So, we calculate interest on loan for only 3 months, that is January, February and March, is equal to 10,000 into 10 divided by 100 into 3 divided by 12. Here is a 3 months and 10% bank loan. Answer is 250 rupees 250. That is interest for 3 months is rupees 250. First effect of this adjustment is show credit side of the profit and loss account by interest on loan rupees 250. And second effect of this adjustment, add 10% loan in asset side of balance sheet. Here in balance sheet 10% loan 10,000 plus interest 250. 10,000 250 outer column of the balance sheet. Now we learn hidden adjustment number 6. 16% investment purchase on 31st January 2019 rupees 10,000. Accounting year ends on 31st March 2019. Here, amount of interest receivable on investment for 3 months, that is January, February and March, that is 10,000 into 16%, 16 divided by 100 into 3 months, 3 divided by 12 is equal to 400. Rupees 400 interest is receivable on investment. First effect, show credit side of the profit and loss account by interest receivable rupees 400 in outer column of profit and loss account. And second effect, add to amount of interest receivable on investment on asset side of balance sheet. That is, in asset side of balance sheet, 16% investment. Next adjustment, number 7, 10% government bond. For example, 10% government bond is rupees 10,000. So, first calculate 10% interest on government bond. That is, government bond is equal to 10,000 into 10% divided by 100 is equal to 1,000 rupees. 1,000 interest receivable on government bond. First effect of this adjustment, show the amount of the interest receivable on the credit side of profit and loss account by interest receivable rupees 1,000. And second effect, add the amount of interest receivable to government bond on the asset side of balance sheet, or show separately in balance sheet asset side rupees 1,000. If you add in government bond the asset side of balance sheet, write down 10% government bond rupees 10,000 plus interest receivable 1,000 is equal to 11,000 outer column of balance sheet. Students, I hope that you understand all hidden adjustment very well. So, like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.